The Sompact Touch STS has been designed to allow specialists in refractive surgery to take automatic sulcus-to-sulcus measurements and select the posterior phakic IOL that would be best suited to the patient. The system is combined with a linear UBM probe developed by engineers at Quantel Medical. It can be used to take intraocular measurements accurately and automatically. The Sompact Touch STS boasts a number of innovations, including the checking of measurement accuracy. The checking tool supplied with the device must be filled with demineralized water. The linear 50 MHz probe has been designed to provide accurate views of the anterior chamber. It is essential that the probe is filled with demineralized water before use. The water must form a meniscus at the top of the probe. A window is fitted on the probe aperture. The doctor picks up the probe and places it on the checking tool, previously filled with water, and then presses on this button to start the automatic calibration. The checking is now complete. The software also includes a multiple user management function. The positioning of operator and the system during the examination is extremely important, as this provides good working ergonomics. Once the operator is correctly positioned, he can easily create a patient examination file simply by entering the patient's name and date of birth. Each record will be stored in a database. The patient must be lying down. The operator then instills anesthetic drops. An ophthalmic gel is applied onto the scleral shell supplied with the device. The shell is then inserted into the eye. This is a very important step. The eye must be perfectly centered. The beam box is an extremely useful aid. The operator asks the patient to stare at the red spot on the ceiling using the eye opposite to the one being examined. The operator then fills the shell with physiological saline solution. The probe is placed in the shell. As he is already using both hands, the operator uses the foot pedal to start the acquisition process. 10 measurements are automatically displayed. The software automatically calculates the average measurements, eliminates the two extremes, and then selects the scan with the values that most closely match the average. The probe and then the shell are removed. The second part of the examination concerns the ICL simulation. The operator will be able to simulate a posterior phakic IOL using the recorded data. He selects either a toric or spheric lens implant. He selects the power. He clicks on the ICL placement button in order to position the implant automatically before running through the various implant options. Lastly, the caliper tool automatically determines the distance between the corneal endothelium and the implant, as well as the central vault and the peripheral vault. All patient examinations are stored in a database and can always be printed out as reports. The Sompact Touch STS is the cutting-edge ultrasound solution for specialists in refractive surgery.